Mahilig ba kayo sa fish eggs or tawag doon sa Tagalog, itlog ng isda? So, yun ang recipe na lulutuin po natin ngayon. Hello everyone, this is Crafty Shori. Kumusta po ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay? Ang inyong mga friends, kaibigan? Uy, in English at Tinagalog ko lang. And, of course, kumusta naman ang inyong naging kaaway? Bati na ba kayo? Kasi, dapat magbati na. Diba? Dapat, guys, bawal na mag-away ngayon. Let's give peace one another. At ipagdasal din natin sila, guys, na sana maging okay din sila to have peace in their hearts and in their mind, diba? O, diba? Love pa rin natin, guys. At saka guys, para good vibes lang palagi, diba? O para mahilig ba kayo sa fish eggs or tawag doon sa Tagalog, itlog ng isda? So, yun ang recipe na lulutuin po natin ngayon na natutunan ko rin dito at one time nakita ko sa isang kaibigan ng granny-in-law ko. Kasi nga yung mga in-law ko, hindi din sila marunong magluto ng ganun. So, doon ako natutong magluto sa kanya. But, I'm doing this with my own version. Kasi yung version niya, napakamaraming oil naman. Masarap naman talaga siya in fairness. Kaya lang, yung isang kilong fish eggs, parang 1 kilo din ng oil ang ginamit niya, guys. So, na-shock ako. Masarap naman siya. So, the next time na bumili sila, kasi ini-expect nila, in-assume nila na marunong na ako. So, what I did is, yung own recipe ko na kinumbine ko yung idea na sa Japanese, kasi mahilig din talaga ako kumain ng fish eggs. Kasi dati sa Japan, mahilig akong kumain din ng salmon fish or yung maliliit na orange color. Hindi siya salmon, pero maliit pa rin siya. Yung maputi ang kulay. Tapos, ayun, parang ginawang steamed salted fish eggs doon sa Japanese. So, doon ko nagka-idea. So, parang I am combining the Japanese and the Indian way of cooking this one. So, ginamit ko yung idea na yun, extracting from the Japanese way of how to prepare that fish eggs and also the cuisine of Indian. So if you're new to this channel, please do watch and subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to click the bell button below. So, para ma-follow ninyo guys, whenever mag-upload po ako ng new videos. So, let's get started!
So here are ingredients: 500 grams fresh fish eggs, 6 pieces garlic cloves, 3 to 4 pieces onions, 3 to 5 pieces green chili or according to your wish, curry leaves optional only if you have, coriander leaves or cilantro, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon garam masala, salt, and of course oil. So let's proceed for the first procedure. After washing and drying pat the fish eggs, let's put some salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's mix well, but let's avoid breaking the placenta of the egg because the placenta will help to protect scattering the egg while steaming. And let's add also a little oil to protect sticking from the steaming pan. In this stage, after mixing, it's already ready for our next procedure. So now let's put the eggs in the steaming pan, and as soon the water boils, after 3 to 5 minutes, you have to flip the eggs or it depends on the size of your eggs. The larger or the bigger the size, the longer the time to cook, and the smaller, the shorter the time. So after flipping the other side, we have to wait another 3 to 5 minutes. And again, after 3 to 5 minutes, here I'm checking if the fish eggs are already cooked. And it's ready for our next procedure. So we have a preheated pan, and let's keep 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's keep the chopped garlic. Now let's keep the 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, the chopped onions. And mix them well. When the onions are already medium soft, let's add the chopped green chilies. Then after a minute, let's add the chopped curry leaves. And mix them well. About 2 minutes after, let's add the turmeric powder. Mix them well until everything is well incorporated. And for about 2 minutes, we add the steamed fish eggs and break them down. Mixed well and until everything is well distributed. So after breaking them down, it should be look like this or like this. So it depends on your preference, but I prefer these small sizes because it tastes better. And now it's time to add the 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And mixed well, but take note, adding the chili powder, it depends on your preference. You may add less or more. But since this is a spicy fish egg, so I have to use 2 tablespoons as according to my preference. And up next to add is the garam masala. And mixed well. So now it's time to season with salt. And the salt here is less salty, so I added a little more. And mixed well. And finally, let's gonna add the chopped coriander leaves. Either you mix them well or just remain as toppings, but I prefer to mix them and remain some toppings. And our egg fish fry is done. So guys, this is our fish eggs fry, and you must try this because this is really delicious and it becomes everyone's favorite. And even me, I've loved to eat this a lot. And also, thank you for watching to all my friends, my family, and to those who subscribe me. And if you're not yet subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing my channel and follow on my next vlog. I hope to see you on my next vlog. And thank you for watching. See you all guys and bye. God bless us all and a blessed week for everyone. See you.